Hello parents, I'm here to give you some tips to ensure that we're able to maintain the hydration of your baby. If your baby is more than 6 months, there are a few things that I want you to make sure to ensure that the baby is well hydrated. The number one thing, try to make sure that the fabric that they're wearing, the clothes are light, they're not very overly tight. Make sure that it's very breathable. Second, you can increase your feeding. So I'm sure if the breastfeeding is still going to happen. Less than 6 months, of course, exclusive rehta hai, but make sure you keep increasing the breastfeeding if the baby demands it. Number three, for water is something that you can introduce after the first 6 months. So ensure that a little bit of added water after every meal is something that you can easily do. Now, one thing I want you to avoid is juices. So sugary juices or even fruit ka juices is not something that I recommend, because fruit, the main point of the fruit is the fiber. So you can rather give fruits or vegetables which are high in water. Maybe you can give watermelon, you can give cucumbers, you can give other things to ensure that the baby is able to maintain hydration in that manner. In terms of solid food, try to avoid salty food. Anyway, आपको पता है कि आपको salt नहीं देना चाहिए, but the problem is if you add too much of salt or even a little bit of salt to the meal at this time, that may dehydrate them. So make sure that you're not adding any salt at all. And even the food that you're giving, try to make it a little watery. So kaisa, we typically tell you it should be nice and hard, but if you want to make sure that you want to increase hydration, maybe give a little bit of more soups. Dal khichdi bhi thoda patla karke de do on some hotter days to ensure that the water intake is automatically increased.